Welcome to Take 5. Short informational films for everyone, including adults with intellectual and developmental disabilities. Today's topic is how to make a pizza with 5 simple ingredients. Who doesn't love getting a pizza? But have you ever thought about making your own pizza? It's fun and easy. All you need are a few simple ingredients: pizza crust, tomato sauce, cheese, pepperoni, and olives. First, you start out with pizza dough. We're using this kind that comes in a can. Then we'll add sauce, mozzarella cheese, sliced pepperoni, and sliced black olives. A pizza cutter is handy too, and we'll use a pizza pan like this, but any type of flat pan will work. You'll also need a little bit of cooking oil. First, get the oven ready. Preheat to 425 degrees. Open the pizza dough by peeling the red triangle at the top of the can. Peel the paper all the way off until you see writing inside that says, "Press spoon at seam until can pops open." So press a spoon to the black line until it pops open like this. Then slowly open it up and drop the dough onto a cookie sheet or pan. Just roll it open like this. We're going to use a round pizza pan. First, pour a little bit of oil onto the pan so the dough won't stick to it. Rub it in with a paper towel, and then rub a little on your hands if you can. That helps when you're handling the dough. Now unroll the pizza dough in the pan and make it a circle shape by pressing on it as if it were Play-Doh. Just keep pressing it until you get the shape you want. If you need to fix the edges, press down with your fingers till they're smooth, like this. Or, if you used a rectangular pan, like this. Now, put it in the oven. Make sure you use oven mitts or a pot holder to protect your hands. Close the oven door and bake for about 8 minutes or until the crust is golden brown. Then take it out of the oven. If your glasses fog up, wait a second until your vision clears. Then use an oven mitt to take the baked crust out. Let the crust cool for a minute, then start adding tomato sauce. Sometimes it's called marinara sauce or just red sauce. Pour the sauce into a measuring cup. Makes it easier to spread the sauce. Spread it around with a spoon until it's all covered like this. Now it's time for the shredded mozzarella cheese. Scoop some out with your hand and sprinkle it around the pizza evenly, like this. Then get out your pepperoni and start putting the slices on the pizza until it is covered with them. If you like black olives, sprinkle them on, like this. Put the pizza back in the oven for one more bake. You'll bake it for another 6 minutes at 425 degrees. When the pizza's ready, let it cool for a minute, then get out your pizza cutter. It's very sharp, so be careful when taking off the safety cover. And use an oven mitt or pot holder to hold the hot pan down. Roll the pizza cutter wheel from one side of the pizza to the other. The wheel is easier than using a regular knife. You'll need to make 4 cuts across the pizza in order to have 8 slices. When you're done, use a spatula to lift out a slice of pizza. Now you can enjoy your first slice of homemade pizza. You don't have to use pepperoni and olives. You might like other toppings, like sausage or onions or little tomatoes. You can use whatever you like. Different vegetables, different cheeses. Some people like pineapple or ham. You can even use broccoli. When you make your own pizza, you can make it just the way you like it. On behalf of the Gwinnett County Public Library, we thank you for joining us for another Take 5 video. We hope you enjoyed it and will share it with your friends.